gonna go put it in drive, and I'm just gonna pull it just a little bit. And like I said, there could be, oh shoot, I forgot to disconnect the front of the boat from the winch. Ugh. Let me get that real quick. All right, now we can pull it. Oh boy, this is going to be interesting. Drive, tension. Okay, we have tension. Huh. Okay. I need four-wheel drive. Looks like we had a little bit of success though, right? It started to pull it. Well, I got that buried, didn't it? I didn't even feel that. That sucker just sliced through that sugar like nothing. Pull it out with the other truck maybe, huh? You pull that boat off a little bit more, I don't know. We'll see. Get that Tahoe out of that hole. Nope. Can't do neither. Wow, they're both stuck. Huh. Well, back the red truck up to relieve the tension. I come over here to loosen the winch or the hitch off the trailer or off the Tahoe, duh, and this piece here just totally 100% broke off. I mean, I can pull it up, but what does that do? I'm gonna have to pull it and jack it at the same time. Oh, wait a second. That's nice. Yep. Goes to say a lot about four-wheel drive, don't it? This thing here just sits up too high. I got to get this tongue up, and well, what happened is the jack fell over, and so I got to kind of seesaw it up between one set of blocks and the other, but I can't jack. I'm having trouble jacking up one, getting it on a block, and then having something sitting there. Guess what I need to do is I got a half a cinder block I could probably stack up on top of that one. Okay, let's see what I got to do. I got me another piece of center block. I'm gonna jack this back up in the air. Yeah, I was gonna let this down like it was gonna rest on that one center block, but it wouldn't go down far enough. This jack works great when it's got oil in it. Square, but I'll do it like that, right? Okay. Let's let it down easy. Now Tammy say that, easy peasy. I think I might, after that little slight adjustment, get this jack or the tongue of this boat up high enough to get that hitch under it. It's a leaning just a little with that board. It's kind of, I think that it. Wish you guys could talk to me and let me know if I'm there. Okay. What I'll do is I'll get these blocks out from underneath of there. First time I tried, I'd be a little bit more excited, but this added probably 2-3 hours to the whole operation. But I got that board up underneath of that tire, and what I'm going to try to do right now is I'm going to try to put it in drive and get some gas to it and see if that's going to be enough, you know, to propel the truck forward. I mean, it was coming off and then it broke dirt. I mean, it's only a 2-wheel drive truck. If that don't work right here, I'm going to have to do something about getting a 4-wheel drive. Worried. Okay, I'm tight. Let's see what happens. Oh, slipped off that board. Kicked up some dirt. Hot dog it. This time I caught the dirt breaking. So, oh shoot, it threw the board out from underneath of it. Ain't that something? I mean, it seems every time I pull it, I get about 3 feet, and then it decides it doesn't want to come off of there. I got that board wedged up under the front of that tire. I'm back a little bit, so I should be able to get a roll, get back up on it. And I'm hoping that this little jerk yeah, you can see this little burn mark right here. Truck was on there, but it just ain't got enough. Okay, I seen it on the viewer of the camera where I got it about another foot. I'm gonna roll up on this board again, get that tightened up. Oh, slip. Gotta have 4-wheel drive. Get that thing backed up just enough. I can get that other board back up underneath of it. Whoops. Look what I did. Up to the, the safety chains. I'm going to hook those up to this. I'm going to give it another jerk. See what it does. The only thing is, I need to back it up and get that board up underneath of it. Oh crap, I can't back it up anymore. Okay. Sounds like I'm spinning dirt again. I smell burnt wood. Alright, so I got that one 2x10 up under that front tire over there. And what I've been doing is just kind of inching my way forward until the Tahoe or something gives and it don't move, it spins or whatever. But I almost got it. I'm going to I'm gonna give it another jerk, see what happens. What I need is I just need for this, the back of the boat, just to hit the ground. As soon as the boat hits the ground, I should be able to keep going, and then I can get them tires up underneath. In fact, I think I can now. Need to come back a little bit, get a little bit of slack so I can get the Tahoe onto the board before I start to give it gas. It'll be all right. It's gonna come. It's gonna come off. There's no doubt in my mind. All right, so I got that one sitting there. I need it to be able to just, you know, hold the boat just off of the ground. And you'll see why here shortly. Okay, well, let's see if I can get it up on that board and give it a little bit more. If it comes, I can just keep going. I don't want to like take off, you know, and just fly. I just want to kind of ease the boat off. Something don't sound good. Well, I've got to get everything that's inside the boat sitting down and get it off, because I'm fixing to flip it. And that's going to be fun. We'll see how that works out. So, but right now, it's time for a coffee break.